Welcome to our favorite YouTube channel DCD Electrical Knowledge. Today's goal is to learn single phase induction motors, capacitor type, single phase induction motor, capacitor type, stator construction is the same as split phase induction motor. Rotor squirrel cage type. Figure shows the rotor. The important is that stator winding is always in series with the capacitor. This is good concept which is to be memorized. The stator winding is always in series with the capacitor. Hope it is clear. Three ways to install the capacitor. Number 1, capacitor start motor. Number 2, permanent capacitor motor, that is capacitor run. Number 3, double capacitor motor, that is capacitor start and capacitor run. These modify the auxiliary, that is starting winding of the figure shows the starting winding, capacitor and centrifugal switch. A capacitor is placed in series with the starting winding, uses a centrifugal switch and component electrolyte capacitor, that is high value capacitor, performance, high starting torque, operation, the 75% rule. Motor starts and speed increases. Centrifugal switch, that is CS, opens at 75% speed. Result: capacitor and starting winding are disconnected. The whole procedure is showing through a simple flowchart method. The motor continues running on the main winding only. It also be noted that is warning if the switch fails, that is if the centrifugal switch not functioning, the starting winding could burn out. Number 2, permanent capacitor motor, also known as capacitor run motor. As per shown in the figure, capacitor is permanently connected, that is fixed. No centrifugal switch is used in the circuit. Both starting winding, in short form SW, and running winding, that is RW, stay in the circuit. Number 3, double capacitor motor, that is capacitor start plus capacitor run, uses two capacitors are connected in parallel. Starting capacitors high value and it should be disconnected after starting, that is getting 75% of the speed. Then running capacitor, it should be low value and this capacitor is always connected with the circuit. It should be remembered that running capacitor always connected in circuit. Highest torque of all single phase motors. Calculating total capacitance, that is CT. In parallel connection, total capacitance, that is equivalent capacitance CT is equal to C1 plus C2. For example, starting capacitor electrolyte type is equal to 10 microfarad and running capacitor paper or oil type is equal to 4 microfarad. So the total capacitance startup is equal to 10 plus 4, that is 14 microfarad. This huge capacitance creates the massive starting kick. Why use two capacitors? To produce 300% starting torque. Running state. Once running, it uses only the small capacitor, that is paper type capacitor. Results: better power factor and low noise. Starting capacitor range 10 to 20 microfarad and it should be electrolyte type. Running capacitor should be 2 to 2.5 microfarad and it should be paper type. The wiring diagram of double capacitor motor. Capacitor C1 is starting capacitor which is electrolyte type and connected with series centrifugal switch which opens at reaching 75% speed. Capacitor C2 paper type stays connected forever with the circuit. The main winding and starting winding also shows in figure of the double capacitor motor. Quick summary is it: type 1 start, type 2 run and type 3 double. Electrolyte capacitor has switch, high starting torque, Type 2 run paper capacitor, no switch, smooth run. Type 3 double capacitor, two capacitors, electrolyte type plus paper type. Hedge switch, best of both, 300% of starting torque. No more today. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.